Hello and welcome back to my channel Electronics Vibes. Today we are going to learn the verification of logic gates using Circuit Mod Simulator. Circuit Mod Simulator is a Java based simulator which is open source simulator. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one inputs but only one output. The relationship between the input and output is depends on certain logic. Based on this logic, the gates are NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR and XNOR gates. In this video, we see the IC used for the logic gates, the function of logic gate, symbol and truth table. Similarly, the verification of truth table will perform using circuit mod. Truth table shows the relation between the input and output. It consists of all the possible combination of the inputs and the corresponding state of output of logic gates. The Boolean expression between the inputs and the output of logic gate can be expressed mathematically by means of Boolean expression. Let us now discuss the operation of various logic gates using IC. First, OR gate. For OR gate, IC 7432 is used. This is the schematic of IC 7432. IC 7432 is a quad 2 input OR gate. Quad means 4, means that in this IC total 4 OR logic gates are available. See here, this is logic gate 1, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. IC 7432 is a 14 pin IC. Pin number 7 is used for ground, pin number 14 for the VCC. 2 input OR gates and 1 output. Total 3 pins are required for each logic gate. Therefore, 12 remaining pins are used for the logic gates input and output. For logic gate first, pin number 1 and 2 work as a input and pin number 3 as a output. For 5 input, 6 as output. Pin number 8 is output, 9 and 10 are the inputs. And last gate is pin number 12 and 13 are used for the inputs and 11 for output. This is the view of IC 7432. Symbol of OR gate. Boolean expression for OR gate, Y is equal to A or B. This plus sign means the OR, logical OR condition. A and B are the inputs. The function of OR gate is that if any one input is high, output is high. That means logically high or one condition. If both inputs are low, output is low. If one of the input is high, see here, low, high means 0 and 1, output is 1. All inputs are high, then also output is 1. only for all low inputs output is low. This is the function and working of OR gate. AND gate IC7408. This is also called 2 input DIP package. IC74LS08 means 7408. Similarly, pin number 1 and 2 are input, pin number 3 output. In this IC also 4 AND gates. See here. Symbol and truth table of AND gate. A and B are the input. Y is output. Logical multiplication is performed in the AND gate. Y is equal to A into B must be read as Y is the function of A and B. The function of AND gate is that if all the inputs are high, then output is high. If any one input is low, output is low. See here, for all 3 inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0, output is low. Only for 1 1, output is 1. NOT gate IC7404 is used as a NOT gate IC. It is a hex inverter. NOT gate is also called as a inverter. IC7404 is a hex inverter, means 6 NOT gates are available. NOT gate is only one input and one output. See here, pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 output, and so on. The function of inverter is that it per symbol and truth table of NOT gate. This is the symbol. A is input, Y is output, Y is inverted output. That means inversion of input is the output. For low input, output is high, and for high input, output is low. NOR gate IC7402 is used for NOR gate. This is called 2 input NOR gate IC. In this IC, 4 NOR gates are available. See the input and output pin configuration. Pin number 1 is used as a output and 2 3 input, 4 output, 5 6 inputs, and so on. This is the symbol of NOR gate. Function of NOR gate is that when all the inputs are low, then output is high, or if any one input is high, output is low. IC7400 used as a NAND gate IC. NAND gate is also called as a universal gate. Using this NAND gate, we can realize any another logic gates or the logic circuits. IC7400 is also called 2 input NAND gate IC. This is the symbol of NAND gate. Function of NAND gate is when all the inputs are high, output is low, or any one input is low, output is high. For 0 0 input, output is 1. For 0 1 input, output is 1, 1 0, 1, and if both the inputs 1 or logically high, output 0. 7486 is used for XOR gate, called 2 input XOR gate. Symbol of XOR gate, and this is the truth table for XOR gate. For 2 input XOR gate, if any one input is high, output is high. In general, the statement for XOR gate function is if odd number of inputs are high, output is high. Therefore, for parity generator, XOR gate mostly used. This is the summary symbol and truth table for OR gates given in this slide. So let's learn and verify the all logic gates truth table using circuit mod simulator. Open the circuit mod. This is the workplace. Right click and cut it. Select the component by clicking on logic gate. Inverter means the NOT gate. For input and output, we connect the logic input and logic output. This logic input is used for both the conditions high and low. Output shows on a logic output. See here, if input is low, output is high. Input is high, output low. This circuit or the symbol can be drawn where at the output we have used the LED as a display device. Resistor is used for current limiting. Display device LED. Connect it. Logic input for the input side. And here we connect the ground. Both the circuit same, only difference in output. Here we use the logic output and here LED. See here, for the low input, output is high. For high input, output low. Both circuit works similarly. Similarly, we can draw the another gate, AND gate. Select the AND gate from logic gates. Place and drag. Use the logic gate inputs and output. At the output we require LED, so again draw the same symbol. Connect the output device and the input logic. Now see, change the input and output. If both inputs are low, output is low in both the circuit. If one of the input is high, output is still low. See here, only for all inputs high or both the inputs are high, output is high. See here, if we change both the input as high, LED glows, or here H shows the high condition. Now stop. Next, OR gate. Function of OR gate is, if any one input is high, output is high. Here we draw all the logic gates. Now check the conditions. For NOT gate, input low, output high. For AND gate, when both the inputs are high, output high. Then OR gate, if any one input is high, output is high. Then NAND gate, if any one input is low, then output is high. For both low, output high. 1 0 0 1, output is high. For both inputs high, output low. NOR gate, for all inputs low, output 1. See here, when both the inputs low, then and then output is high. For another conditions, output low. Thank you.